News update. Appeal Court reserves judgment in PDP's case against Tinubu, Shettima. Do welcome to the news. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell for more updates. The news details. The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja on Thursday reserved judgment till a date to be announced later on an appeal filed by the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Justice Haruna, who headed a three-member panel of the court, took the decision after lawyers to parties adopted their briefs and made final submissions. The lawyer to PDP prayed to the court to allow the appeal and grant the relief sought. However, lawyers to the APC, the president-elect, Bola Tinubu, and Thomas Ojo, who represented Kashim Shettima, urged the court to dismiss the appeal. Ojo argued that the court could no longer be involved in original jurisdiction under Section 15 of the Courts Act to hear the case on merits because the constitutionally prescribed 180 days within which pre-election cases should be heard as elapsed. The PDP in the appeal marked CA/ABJ/CV/108/2023 is seeking the reversal of the January 13 judgment by Justice Inyang Ekwo of the Federal High Court, Abuja. Justice Ekwo had in the judgment dismissed the suit by the PDP, in which it sought to void the nomination of Senator Bola Tinubu and Kashim Shettima as the presidential and vice presidential candidates of the All Progressives Congress (APC) on the ground that its PDP lacked the local standing to query how the APC chose its candidates. The PDP had, in the suit marked FAC/ABJ/CS/1734/2022, challenged the validity of the Tinubu or Shettima ticket for the 2023 presidential election, arguing that Shettima's nomination as the running mate was in breach of the provisions of Section 29, subsection 1, Section 33, Section 35, and Section 84, subsection 1 and 2 of the Electoral Act 2022 as amended. It claimed that Shettima had doubled nominations and argued that Shettima's nomination as a vice presidential candidate, as well as the candidate of the Borno Central senatorial seat, contravened the law. The Appeal Court has reserved judgment in PDP's case against Tinubu and Shettima. Federal High Court, Abuja, has dismissed the People's Democratic Party (PDP) suit seeking the disqualification of Senator Bola Tinubu, the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress (APC), and also his vice, Mr. Kashim Shettima, for the 2023 general elections. Delivering judgment, Justice Inyang Ekwo dismissed the suit on the ground that the PDP lacked local standing to institute the suit. Justice Ekwo, who held that the case was caught by the principle of issue, described the suit as an abuse of court process. The News Agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that the PDP, in its originating summons marked FAC/ABJ/CS/1734/2022, had sued the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), APC, Tinubu and Shettima as first to fourth defendants respectively. In the suit filed on July 28, 2022, the party challenged the validity of Senator Tinubu to contest for the 2023 presidential election as APC candidate on the ground that Mr. Shettima's nomination as his ruling mate was in breach of the provisions of some sections of the Electoral Act 2022 as amended. It argued that Shettima's nomination to contest the position of Vice President and Borno Central Senatorial seat contravened the law. The PDP, which sought an order disqualifying the APC, Tinubu and Shettima for contesting the presidential election scheduled for February 25th, also sought an order nullifying their candidacy. But the court said that, meaning that it is too late for the court to do anything because they have been announced the presidential candidate, the presidential elect, and also the vice president elect of Nigeria. We've come to the end of the news. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also the bell for more updates. Thank you.